Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show the current paperclip hack on how to get a heart shape out of your magnetic polish. So I originally saw this hack trend on Hey Great Nails Instagram page, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to try it for myself, but she was using gel polish and I wanted to try it with nail polish. And I had this nail color, which I feel like is so perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. And I practiced and it took a couple tries, but I finally got it and I'm so excited. And I'm just showing here, you can see the little outline. It's kind of subtle, but like as you move around, you can definitely see a little heart shape. I'm showing here with some flash, but even without flash, honestly, it's noticeable. I can't stop staring at my nails. So I'm going to be using Mooncat's Your Heart's a Black Hole, which is a magnetic red polish with a very strong pull. So here I have a paper clip that I've twisted and I've got a little V shape at the tip, and I'm going to use two magnets. So the bottom magnet that I'm using on the paper clip, I pushed out of this magnetic one that I have, and I'm also going to be using one of these like skinny cylindrical magnets. And the important tip to know, which I've learned through practice, is that you need to velvetize your nail before you use a paperclip with the side that the paperclip sticks to. So essentially, you will be velvetizing your nail with that side of the loose magnet before you set in your design with the paperclip magnet. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate here, and I'm doing this all in real time to show you how kind of quickly you have to work because the nail polish is going to dry, and paint it fairly quickly, not too thick but not too thin. Then you're going to velvetize the side where you want your design to be, and then you're going to grab the paper clip with the magnet stuck to it, and you're just going to hover it as close as you possibly can over the area you want your heart design to be. And because you're using nail polish, you have to hold it, to kind of really crisp up that design for a good like 30 seconds as it dries. So because of this, having to hold it in place, if you're going to be doing this design with nail polish, I would recommend only trying to do one heart per nail, because just realistically, you're not going to be able to get two on there with enough time. Like the particles are already going to have dried everywhere else on the nail before you're able to set in a second. So that's just my recommendation. This is just my experience with nail polish. So here you can see the design, you can see the little heart design, and I did want to mention, when you do your top coat, you're going to want to hold the paper clip over that same area again, just to make sure that you don't move the particles or the nail polish around too much, and just to crisp up your design again. And there you have it, a super cute, fun, magnetic heart design hack with paperclip. Thanks for watching!